Okay guys, so this is the promised 4K test footage. I'm not going to edit this video in Vegas. It's just a straight up recording from the camera, from microscope camera into the SD card. So let's just take a look around in here. Let's zoom in. Let me focus. That's maximum zoom. Let's focus. And let me focus you. You know, before I turn on the fish tank, let's actually use solder iron to solder these parts over here, pins. Because when I turn on the fish tank, it's gonna vibrate, as you know. I'm gonna fix that problem later on. I guess I'm gonna put something underneath the soldering station, but for now it's like this, which is okay. Let me zoom out a little more and let me focus myself and then focus you. So let's take off this chip and then we're gonna take off this chip, I guess, using hot air. So this is 4K 30 FPS maximum resolution that this camera is capable of. Obviously you're not gonna use 4K 30 FPS. I mean, if you're gonna do YouTube videos you might, but I actually prefer 1920 by 1080p using 60 FPS for YouTube. Let's also take off this chip. I might have a small tip for this chip, but let's try it anyway. And I'm looking at my monitor actually, and I can see that these two components are not actually focused. That's because the board is not laying flat, so just ignore it. It's ready to come off. take a different scissor. This is some mess. There you go. So anyway guys, this has been the test footage from Hayear HY-6110 at 4K 30 FPS recorded onto SD card without editing, without nothing. The settings on the image quality and white balance etc. are default. I did not change anything, just straight up video.